Hey there, fellow stargazers and quilting enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a celestial quilting adventure? I'm Sheri from Whole Circle Studio, and today I'm giving you the first look at our brand new Starry Signs Block of the Month and Quilt Sew-Along. It's a quilting project that lets you explore the sky one beautiful block at a time. Imagine creating a quilt that captures the magic of zodiac constellations, from Capricorn to Sagittarius and all the signs in between. Each month, we'll sew a constellation block with foundation paper piecing. The blocks then all come together into one mesmerizing starry scene. And here's the best part, it's all at your own pace. If you're wondering, what is a block of the month? Great question. A block of the month program means you'll receive a brand new constellation block pattern every month straight to your email inbox. You can sew along each month or binge sew whenever you're ready. It's low pressure fun, and by the end of the year, you'll have an entire quilt top ready to quilt and finish up. This quilt project is entirely foundation paper pieced, also known as FPP. If you're looking to learn or improve your FPP skills, this is the project for you. Each block is broken down into clear, easy to follow steps, so even if you're an adventurous beginner, with some patience, you're covered. Plus, I'll be here with tips, tricks, and bonus tutorials along the way. Never tried foundation paper piecing? No problem. If you're ready to try something new, I've got you covered with a free tutorial to walk you through all the basics. I'll include the link below so you can get a feel for what foundation paper piecing is. So what exactly do you get with the Starry Signs Block of the Month? Included in your registration, which is a one-time fee, you'll receive 12 monthly PDF constellation block patterns, plus bonus quilt patterns for corner cloud blocks, as well as the moon and stars quilt pattern for the center of your quilt. This center pattern is also perfect as a standalone baby quilt. And if you want to go bigger and add more detail to your quilt, add-on border patterns for a city skyline, mountain range, or even more stars are available as an extra purchase to help you create a twin or a queen size quilt. To make planning a breeze, you'll get a detailed welcome packet as soon as you register. This includes project planning tools, fabric recommendations, coloring sheets, and more. Detailed fabric requirements are also included. This pattern is perfect for all types of fabric, solids, blenders, prints, or a combination. You can use the same fabrics that I used or totally plan your own. For those who like to keep it loose, plan as you go and use what you have in your stash, or pick up fabric as we go along. If you'd prefer, we also teamed up with a number of quilt shops that are offering Starry Signs fabric kits. Each month with a new constellation block pattern, you'll also get links to video tutorials with my favorite FPP and sewing tips. Plus, we'll have an online gallery to showcase makers' beautiful blocks and inspire each other. Each quarter throughout 2025, you'll be invited to an exclusive Starry Signs Zoom get-together. It's a time for us to do a show and tell of our blocks online, face-to-face. We'll also be able to ask questions, meet new quilters, exchange tips, and receive encouragement. By the end of the project, you'll not only have a gorgeous, unique quilt, but you'll also have some amazing new skills to use in your future projects. The Starry Sign quilt patterns give you lots of freedom to personalize your creation and make quilts ranging from mini quilts to queen-size quilts, or you can incorporate your constellation quilt blocks into other projects. So, are you ready to sew along? Join the Starry Signs Block of the Month and let's make a beautiful quilt together. The registration link is below, and I can't wait to sew along with you.